Okay, that's a loud truck. So you can see there's a digital sign there. This is on the Las Vegas Strip. You can see the Stratosphere down the way. There's Circus. Now take a look at the Hilton here. Yeah, they've turned the front of the entire Hilton into a digital sign. It's massive. If you look there, you look real close, there's a bunch of little square dots where things are missing. No, those are the rooms. That's the glass in each of the rooms. That thing is massive. They even put one here on the side. Look at that. Wow. So, not to be overdone or outdone, look at that. That building got wrapped. So there you're looking at outdoor LED at its finest in Las Vegas on the north end of the Las Vegas Strip. Woo, it's hot out here. This is one of the hottest days in history for Las Vegas. So I'm going to stop recording now, do some more walking, get down to where I can get a glass of water. Woo, it's hot out here.